my friends! In my last video I promised you to take a look at the issue of blinking neutral light. The source of this issue is a wear out of the neutral switch, which is hidden under this cover. Let's take a look at the switch together now. This is the neutral switch, which we have to replace. Fixed by two screws, and it has one contact, one wire, which is going to the board computer. It's not necessary to drain oil. You can just take it out. There's one O-ring, and you will lose just few drops of oil. On the pictures you can see a new switch, and comparing to the other picture, to the second one, you can directly see the wear out of the part. Before you will go to assemble it, remember to clean the cover and this area of the dust and chain grease. Assembly is very simple. Remember the metal part, I don't know what for is it exactly, probably protection, and fit also the cable going to the side stand. For this repair you will need about 30 minutes, and the price of the spare part should be about 25 euro. Okay my friends, it was very short and simple today, and it wasn't critical issue as sometimes, but for us, for riders enjoying the motorbike in perfect condition, it was very important to fix it. One of the items which was always driving me crazy was a tent. There are a lot of tents for a lot of money, so long with 5 kilograms weight, and I don't accept it. This is a tent I will introduce you next time. It has exactly 1 kilogram. It's enough for one person, and it's very cheap. I hope you enjoyed my video again. If you did, give me a like. If you didn't, give me a hate, or of course you can subscribe me. Don't switch me off yet, because my friend Santa is really disappointed with his Java, and he found the final solution of his problems. Oh ho ho!